Again, today is the 2nd of March, and the time is 8:37. Okay, let's go back and look at the market. The last time when we were speaking, we spoke about this downward trend line that started here at the top towards the mid December, and then we mentioned that this is going to be a resistance, and then the price was rejected in this area. It went back down. You can see it clean on 30 minutes chart. Okay. We were around this area, and there was this fake out. The price was rejected, and then now, as we are, the price has broken that trend line. The good thing is it wasn't a quick breakout. We are seeing the price moving slowly. I would love to see some consolidation until we come to this area. This is going to be a very decisive area for Bitcoin. We might see the price getting rejected in this area. Remember, this is where the neckline of this head and shoulder, it's going to be very difficult to break it. But I will definitely expect the price to break this area. Maybe come up here and to have some reversal, and then the third time it will be able to break this area. It failed here. It might fail again, and then just come back, even maybe touch this area first before it comes back and break this area. I don't think it's going to be too easy to break this inverse head and shoulder, because this will be a final confirmation that we are indeed in the reversal. The price has indeed reversed. This is the last header, and then from there, this might now become a support, and then we're gonna find some resistance on top. So if this gets broken, it's gonna be a great support. So let's see what happens in the next few days. Hopefully, we're gonna see Bitcoin still consolidating in this area for the next couple of days, and we don't get that crazy candles that we have seen here in these areas. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we spoke about pink in a previous video. That just look what pink is doing. All right. I mentioned pink being one of the undervalued coin at this moment. It looks like we have completed the full cycle. We might still see coming to this area. I don't know, but this is still the accumulation phase. Here at the bottom, you should see the price going up towards to the 1,000 satoshis. Like I always say, money is made in the bearish market, and then the bullish market you collect. So you want to buy in the bearish market when the prices are going down. You average down. If you have done your research and you believe in a coin, if the price goes down, it's another chance to increase your back at cheaper prices. So pink, it's one of them that I think they don't belong at this area. Belongs about 500 satoshi, between 500 and 1,000 satoshi. We're gonna see. But so far, we've seen today from yesterday the market recovering on the altcoins. We don't know whether it's a bull trap. We're still gonna see some downwards until this area of despair before the market start going up. But yeah, this area, I think it's safe to go into the market. You might need to hold for a bit longer, or the price may just have hit the bottom. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, the other one that I've never spoken about, ZRX. Let's look at Polynex chart. Okay, this is another one that's the chart looking very good. I'm looking at averaging down on this area. I think I've been buying from this area up here. So this double bottom here, maybe breakout of this downward trend. It could be a good one. ZRX, it's one of the great project with great potential. So yeah, I'll be looking at this area. Looks good. I'll be looking at getting some few here just to average down. Okay, let's go and look at we spoke about IPBC. When we spoke about it, just got launched here, and the price was between, I think the lowest I've seen was 512, 510 satoshis or something like that. So the area between 510 to 700, that's where I started buying. That's where I was accumulating. But unfortunately, the price just went crazy while I was still busy buying in this area. This has gone from our entry. This area, I think we are already over times 5. Let's just check. The price has topped at around 4,800 satoshi. So yeah, we are around times 8. So this soon will be a times 10. And there's still huge potential on this one. It's getting some love. Yeah, we don't know if it is gonna pull the XRP, or we're gonna be reaching the top soon. But yeah, we went in quite early on this one. This was one of the great picks, and the project looks really good. So we'll see what happens. It has been seeing this this super pumps in a bearish market. I wonder what will happen if we go into a bullish market. But all in all, IPBC, I mentioned it. It's looking pretty good. Still looking good. I wouldn't buy here. I'll wait for some retracement if there will be any. There's always a chance that this will just run away from you. But yeah, it's quite risky to buy it here. There's nothing that just keeps on going up. Well, we saw XRP going up and up and up non-stop. But we never know when is the top, especially for a new project like this where you don't have any history. So you really don't know where's the top. But the one thing about the top, the market will tell you when you reach the top. We always go and retest that top, and we'll see once we get to that area, when you start getting some profit, getting your initial capital, and then you let the other position go to the moon. IPBC, I think one of the great pick of the year so far. We'll see what happens. All right, let's look at, we spoke about PGC. PGC, all right, the stocks exchange. Stocks exchange is one of the shitty exchange. It's not user friendly, difficult to navigate, difficult to try and find your history. But anyway, I want to get the PGC. I'm accumulating PGC. I haven't finished. I don't know if the price is gonna run away from me. I'm starting to see the price starting to move away, but we'll see what's happened. But yeah, PGC looks good. The volume very low. I think this is the area where you want to accumulate. You see a bit of pumps that happens there, here and there. But yeah, around this area, 240 Satoshi, between 200 to 240 Satoshi. I think it's a safe area to accumulate. I'm still buying. I've bought a couple. I'll see where it takes me. All right. We also spoke about STL. STL, we spoke about it here around, I think, 2-3 Satoshi. Got this test pump all the way to 15 Satoshis. It's back around 3 Satoshis. I think this is the area of accumulation. I think I did a bit of FOMO here. I went in around 5 Satoshis, 4 or 5. I'll average down here between 2 and 3 Satoshis, and then I will hold. I mentioned this one is either we go to moon or we go to the grave, so I'll see. Okay, I think that's all that I will look at today. Maybe I should look at UBIQ, what's happening. Let's talk a bit about UBIQ. You know I love UBIQ. The price has been going down. Been accumulating, averaging down as the price goes down. They've released some news about some airdrop coming and the test happening. We'll see what happens, but this is one of undervalued project. UBIQ, one of Ether fork. So this is a platform that is as good as Ether, Ethereum, with the price more than 1,000 times, I think, lower than the Ethereum. So yeah, we'll see if this airdrop will get the price to pump and go and see some 50,000 plus Satoshis or so. But yeah, it's still still very cheap. I think anything below below 40,000 Satoshi is cheap for UBIQ. So yeah, UBIQ, it's one that I think I'm gonna hold this for very long and see where it takes me. If we see bigger pumps, take some profits, and to wait for retracement and continue accumulating. But yeah, that's all for today. If you do have anything that you want me to explain, please do so. Let me know. I will try to explain to the best of my ability. Alright, stay calm and be humble. Until we meet again, I'm out. Cheers.